canoeists, Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide, feeding the bugs a little bit. We are going to start doing a series on wilderness camp kitchens. Okay, so let's start with the table. I think it's critical gear. I think if you don't have a decent table, and this is just a Walmart special, but if you don't have a decent table and you make it as hard for yourself as possible to prep food out here, you're not going to do it. And the next thing you know, everybody's eating out of a bag. And you're missing out on what makes canoeing the paragon of wilderness travel. You can bathe and you can eat real food. So we're going to make falafel. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. Here is our camper kitchen that guides can't live without. I'm going to fry. Here's our little falafel patties. I do balls and then I squish them so they're a little patty. Now, when this gets frying, it goes so fast, you're better off to have all of the patties made and then just start dropping them because it goes fast like donuts. Here's the secret. If you spray the camper kitchen with oil or you spray any pan that you're going to fry in with Pam first, it coats, it gives the oil a surface to fill the whole pan, and you use less oil whenever you're frying anything. Restaurants do that. Okay, so there's our oil in the pan. I flip them, I don't float them. Here's the falafel frying, and there's the pita bread toasting. Beautiful. So here they are done. I broke one open. You can see how light it is on the inside, how crispy it is on the outside. It's got the toasted sesames in it. So then we've topped it with fresh cilantro and a flat leaf parsley and the fresh tomato and of course the yogurt sauce. So there it is. Gorgeous. So it was a long day here getting into the river. It was a long day in the wind. But if I had to sit on the ground and eat out of a bag, I'd just feel beat up. I'm Lisa DeHart, and you just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.